where? What do you mean by they have not made?
Like when
Page number 7 onwards, you have managed to log in, open
yes,
your perspective. Then now it will ask for the system details. So enter your system details, not what is appearing on the screenshot.
yeah.
Obviously, it's common sense. You'll have to apply a little bit of common sense, and then
Yes,
proceed next, and then it will ask for your login credential, login, then login and finish, and then you see a page number 10. Have you reached up to page number 10?
yes, yes.
If you have
I've
reached page number
located
10,
my
then yeah, then you can share your screen. Go to BW repositories.
Yeah, I located
And
my student number as well.
and
What
yeah,
do you
locate your student. Yes,
can I
space.
share it?
Yes, and then follow the steps
But
thereafter.
no, they told they instructed to make a composite provider, but they said no, make something else. Then I went to the other data object. Then they haven't entered any information there, so I'm just wondering what to do. Can you see on the pages 11 and 12?
11, right?
Yeah.
1 second, I'm getting it for.
Munir, I'm also stuck at that
1
point.
second. Yeah, 1 second.
Is that you, Swati?
Yes, Simar.
You were asking this now?
Haris?
Also at this point, after page number 10, I also don't know what to do.
Yeah, they haven't they didn't.
Yeah.
Did you guys find this sample university?
No, it's a Victoria University. You will find in the repository.
Yeah, Victoria University, Australia.
Yeah.
Yeah, Haris, Monir here.
BW Training, Victoria University, Australia.
I'm fine. Yes, Haris, I need your help. Some of my students accessing virtual desktop, accessing HANA Studio using University Virtual Desktop, they are not seeing a perspective called BW modeling there. But some are seeing, some are not seeing. B1, if you have access to the system, so the business intelligence unit, there is a case study called.
So then, how do you know which student ID you're talking about?
Page number. You have a problem with page number.
It's the RV21, the ID which we log in.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Yeah, the same ID, like mine is
7. Yeah, we have a problem with
page
number 7. Yeah, B1 case modeling.
Did you guys create a data store object?
See, we are just going to page number 7, perspective, open perspective, others, and then we are searching for BW modeling, which is not appearing for majority of my students. For some, yes, I have installed individually in my own desktop, I'm fine. And some students are fine, some majority are not.
So it's saying authorization is banned, something?
It's a Eclipse-based modeling tool, basically.
No, resource forbidden.
HANA Studio. Can you come to our Zoom meeting? 1 second, I'll share that. Yeah. I'll share the Zoom link with you. 1 second, so that you can just look into the problem. Copy the invitation. Copy. Yeah. I'm sharing. Okay. So it could be because it is severely slow, badly slow actually. 1 second, let me reply. You must have received an email, right? From a student, right? Just now. acc.support, that email. that from my one of my student. Hello, Harish. And please join this in this link. I'm just sharing this.
Simaprit, were you able to create a data store object?
Yeah, that's what I'm asking.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
because
I think I did
there was
right
no
click
instructions after that. There's no instructions for this one in the tutorial. So that's what I'm
Can you find now your email? Can you check your email now, Harish?
So right
log
click
in
on
there.
that.
Log in
And
there.
say new data store object.
Yeah, so join please the Zoom meeting. You have joined? Okay, so I'll leave the phone. I think you can we'll discuss there. 1 second. Guys, we have Harish on the Zoom call now. Where is he? 1 second. Yes, Harish. Okay, Harish is there. Now, Imran, can you share your screen?
Sure, I'll do that.
So, Harish, you are able to see our screen. Imran is sharing his screen. Harish, are you there? Harish?
Sorry, my mic is on mute. Yeah, I'm there.
No problem. So he's sharing now. Here, go to window, Imran, window, perspective,
open
other. Here, I should have BW modeling as one option.
Yes, I know, but for some of the students, it's getting right.
Yeah, some are getting, yes.
Okay, it might be due to because once they install SAP HANA Studio, they need to install separately BW and modeling tool. That's a new on top of
but we are expecting the SAP University Virtual Desktop pre-installed, everything ready. For
I
us.
think Shahid has already. I think Shahid has already discussed that there's a problem with HANA Studio installing in the virtual desktop.
Yeah.
So I think they're still testing it. It's not due to the problem with HANA Studio. It's the problem with the virtual desktop where, because all the files in the HANA Studio will be stored, will be shared in the backend program files in the system, in the virtual, in the C drive. So it's not taking up from the C drive. So if you can, because all they need to do is they need to click on help, install software.
Okay. Click on help.
Install new software.
New software. Yeah.
So
guys, others can also follow. Yes, please. And then, okay, give control to Harish, please, Imran.
I think I'll just paste a link in the chat. So he
chat room. Yes, that will be better, so that everyone can share.
We have instructions in the learning space.
1 second. Can you give me? Can you just give me a minute? I'll be back.
No problem. No problem.
Monir, we have that installment, that instructions in the learning space. The same thing I did and it worked.
Which one?
Go to software, install guide for HANA Studio, then add-ons to access the BV on HANA System V1. This one, the third one.
Okay.
So everything is there, like how to install.
Okay. Good. Very good. You are able to help yourself. So you are also using virtual desktop, right?
No, I'm using mine.
That's the problem. They're using virtual desktop, university desktop. And there the problem is. I have installed myself in my own personal desktop, and I'm fine. Okay. So I think you also installed it on your personal laptop, and you're fine.
Yes.
You getting me? So you are fine. Most of us, I think, are fine, but some.
Sorry, I'm trying to download HANA on my system. So do I have to go EMEA portal to download that?
You're trying to download and install onto your laptop, is it?
Yeah, because
Or virtual
virtual,
desktop?
I don't understand virtual, so I just need to
Virtual
download.
means university desktop or your
No, no,
laptop?
on my laptop. I tried the virtual, but there's so many problems in virtual, so I want to download it on my personal laptop.
Oh, okay. Then I can help you. That I can
Yes.
help you with.
Can I
So
share my
what-
screen with you? Yeah, or you can tell me. Yeah.
Let Harish is saying something. 1 second, because it is our agreement that the virtual desktop will be pre-installed with everything. There shouldn't be any problem. Okay, if you try to install now, it will take a lot of time actually. So what you do, Kurbanov?
Sorry.
Yes.
Yeah, what all? Which document you referred? It's there in the learning space, right?
Learning
How to install
space.
the HANA Studio, exactly.
Yes.
So go to software. Era, are you following me? Go to softwares.
Yes.
Under software,
Mm-hmm.
there is a instruction HANA Studio Windows.
Yeah.
Whether it is 64-bit window for your case, or it is a 32-bit. So that accordingly, that file you'll have to download. And then
HDB Studio, that's the one?
Yes.
Yes.
Monir, sorry, I was back. I just got because this is a problem with even the students install. I think there'll be problem when they start it. So only solution is now we need to raise a request in the service desk.
Okay.
That's when only, because it's not a permanent fix where even now I'm not sure, because I've tried on my laptop because I'm seeing the errors from others.
Okay.
In personal laptop it might work, but I think maybe you can raise a service request in the service desk, and Shahid or Bilal might be getting back to you, because it's not a problem with HANA Studio, it's a problem with the virtual desktop.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's the one.
So
maybe if you can raise it.
Yeah, we are fine if you are installing onto our individual laptop or desktop. We are fine with that. We are not facing problem.
Yeah, that's not that's the problem
So
with
now
the virtual
question
desktop.
is, students, they will they'll have tough time installing and making everything ready, and we have time constraint as well.
Maybe if you can give me some, because the problem it can be solved is through the service desk.
Okay.
Because
so you want me to send a service request, right?
Yeah, that's right.
I'll do that. Okay.
Because we tried and it didn't work. And the only thing is, it's a problem with VU, not with the SAP installation at the back end.
Okay.
Yeah.
1 second.
Yeah.
Okay. How do I raise a service request? I never raised a service
Put in
request.
a general service request. There you
Yeah.
should be, because once you put in general service request, they'll be dividing it in after that.
No. Where do I start? What's the?
If you type VU service desk, then you should be navigating. You should be able to navigate.
Is it from my View Collaborate or how is it?
No, just type VU service desk in the Google.
View service desk. Okay.
Yeah. So
1 minute. Let me do that. Desk. Okay. IT support for student. IT support. Which one?
Yep.
Student tool.
You go down. There's a self help and support. Login and IT request.
1 second.
Yeah.
Self help and support. Log a job online. Is that the one?
Log an IT request. Can you see that log an IT request? No, the below there is a section called self help and support.
Log an IT request.
Yeah. So when you click on that, it will navigate you to a different page. where you can enter your staff credentials,
Okay.
and you should be able to log an ID request.
PNC Assist, self-service mobile, submit. Which one should I select? Self-service mobile, right?
Self-service mobile, and you can just raise a general query over there that you're having issues
yeah,
with.
because I'm doing it first time. Oh, wait a second.
Even all the students, if they have any issue with the software, so they can write it the same way. Like just type in VU service desk. They should be able to log in with the student VU ID.
Okay.
Then they can create a general request.
Okay. Oh, it opened up. Now submit a new ticket.
Yeah, submit a new ticket, and you can have the description out there.
Then I have many options here: general service procurement, report an issue, IT service, IT.
You can click on IT service, and anything you raise a ticket, they will be categorizing based on your request. So then you don't have to worry, just raise a request.
Okay, so IT service, anyone I can say desktop support, I'll say.
Yes.
Right? Desktop support, right?
Yeah, you can just anything you can raise, but they will categorize it based on your request. So you need not worry about which request you are raising it.
Okay, IT service, not general service, right? IT service.
Yeah, IT service you can raise, but normally any request you can raise. There's a different team who categorizes the request which all the team receives.
Okay, good. Request. Yeah, I'm going there. My name, extension, my mobile number, is it?
Yes. I think. Can you continue with it, because I got a meeting in kind of 1 minute.
Yeah. You can disconnect then. I'm submitting the ticket and try to help us. Maybe in the meantime, I'll try to ask them in having the same software installed onto their individual laptop and proceed if I can.
No,
but in the meantime, I'll drop this ticket to you.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Bye.
Moni, what you gonna do? So do we need to install on our personal laptop?
Yeah, personal laptop. That looks like that's the only option now at this.
Okay, I try to follow two instruction on HANA Studio, but it doesn't work. I don't know why.
No. Okay. Let me wait a second. I'll just submit this request and come back to you. Chinhoy, just a second, please.
Okay, thanks, Moni.
Yeah. Just 1 second. Data services, email services, network services, software, web services.
Monir?
Yeah.
The B1.
Yeah.
Like in the last page, we open new data store object. So we stuck there.
I think it is. What is it saying? Is it saying
new data store object advanced?
So what do you mean by stuck? Is no details not sufficient? Are the details provided they're not sufficient for you to create, or how? What's the problem?
Yes, there's nothing given, like what we need to put in a description or what we need to do with it, or we need to do another, I don't know, like.
Yes, it is showing just select that part and then again open the HANA Studio. So it's a bit confusing what to do next.
1 second.
Same.
Same there. Yeah. So create. you expected the more details, is it?
Yep.
One second. Let me reach there. Yeah, so the details are missing. So here you name your object accordingly with the naming convention that is indicated there. XXX replaced by your ID, login ID.
Can you share your screen actually?
Okay, 1 second.
XXX.
All replaced by your login ID.
Yeah, it's already there.
Number.
The name is the problem.
Okay, and info area, your info area will be what is your info area?
RV0, yeah,
RV2, I think. 1 minute. Are you seeing my screen?
Yep.
Okay, let me show you.
Can you please repeat what you have done, Munir?
Yeah. Just look at my screen, please. Pay attention here, and then we
that one.
University, RV2, and my student. I'm using 000 student, and then so this is the one I have created. Let us to opening. So your info area is RV2000. So you name it this way.
So the technical name is the name here. Is that right?
Yes, technical name is the name. So here DSO is data store object, and one. So that next time if you want to create one more, you can create one more, and 0 because it has a length limitation. So I just named it this way. For your case, I think you won't be able to accommodate because I'm consuming 3 letter for DSO. You can name it anyway and just leave it there. Yeah, just leave it there, and then proceed to B2. That's it. Proceed to B2.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah.
So it is DS01 sales data DE. Description.
Yeah.
Munir, can you put the details in the chat, please? The names and stuff.
Yes, so that we can't be confused in future.
Okay, sure.
Then we don't have to do anything copy from
No,
or
we are
anything.
not doing it now at this point in time. Copy from.
So what does RV2DS10 stands for in your case? 10 means what?
See here, 1 I'm taking like a variable. Next time, if I want to create one more data store object, I'll name it as RV2DSO2, and 000 is my ID. So you can name it also differently, not necessarily this, because I tried. 1 second, let me send it to the chatting. 1 second. You can name it differently, but you have a limitation, space limitation. Chat screen. Maybe you can name it this. Oops. Okay, name it RV 2, and then I would say name it XXX, and 6XX will be too much, so I think D, and I will use last 2 digit actually, not all 3 digit from your login ID, because we have a limitation there. I'll say DO. Try this name, guys. Try this name. And XXX U2. I'm keeping it. I'm leaving S because it's really a space problem. Technical limitations there. So,
Munir, we can't see your recipe screen. Only PDF screen.
1 minute. I didn't share with everyone. I think I'll share with everyone. 1 second. This name I pinged you all. on in the chatting window. Can you find this? Name your data source object this way. And description could be data store object and your 3-digit number. That naming convention we are following. Yes, and that's it. There.
RV2DO. What?
Not DO. DS and the XXX is your last 2 digit of your login ID.
So Munir, right? I have created this, but it does not create a data store object advanced. It doesn't show anything below that. So
it didn't create. What are you encountering an error or how?
Yeah, I mean it is showing an error.
Can you share your screen? Can you share your screen?
Sure. So I'll just quickly share my screen, and that's coming there. So you would see that I've created with a different name, but it has accepted.
So now we'll have to go and refresh. Go to the file, and hit the refresh button.
Okay.
There you go.
But then it's
it's not complete. I know, because it's now we'll have to give the based on the what date data connections details. We'll provide that later as per this as per this workshop document. You are fine. You leave it up to there, and then we'll revisit and fix it. You're fine. Proceed with the B2Bs.
Moni, can I share my screen with you? I'm just stuck just installing.
Installing. Okay, installing. Yeah, you'll have to follow. Are you following those softwares that you downloaded? And then there is one document showing you how to install that. See, installation guide for HANA Studio plus add-ons to access this. If you follow the steps I followed, other students also followed, and they are able to install it.
I'm just on step 6. Select all the listed elements from the list below. So what list they are talking about? That's what I just want to know.
Okay, sure. Then I'll have to see. Wait a second. Share your screen much better than.
Okay.
Share quickly, please.
So can you just give me the authority?
I gave you. Okay. I will.
Okay, this is where I am.
And what is that document? The installation guide document. What is it saying? Because I don't remember. I followed the installation guide.
So this is the one. Select all the listed elements from the list.
So these elements only: EMF, Mylin, Mylin task focused, and model comparison. Only those.
They are over here.
It will be there. Scroll down. You'll find it.
You can put in search also. Type filter text.
You put in search. Yes, Mylin.
In type filter text, you can put there.
Exactly.
Okay, sure.
Yes, you'll find it. EMF. Type EMF first. EMF. You will list only those. And now scroll down. EMF and find EMF. Look here. Now you're finding it. Tick that one. So whichever only those you should be selecting. Nothing more than that. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, no problem.
Munir, even after typing Mylin comments, it doesn't appear. Like I do not know who's sharing the screen.
Select the EMF one first. I'm seeing it.
Yeah, sorry. EMF model query.
Check if you are selecting the correct one or not. Check that. Don't select wrongly.
EMF model query.
Model query. That's not okay. Now go to Mylin one. Type on the top Mylin, MYLYN or something. Yeah, and we'll see. LYN, I think, or MI. What's the spelling? Check. Yeah, this one. Now match. Mylin Commons, Mylin Task Focused.
And then Mylin Task
Focused. It must be.
Munir,
Scroll down.
Hey, Munir.
Yeah. I'm hearing. Yes.
Yeah, the 4 things. I was able to select all the 3, but Mylin Commons does not appear on my system.
Oh my God! Then I don't know. See, you have are you seeing error system? See, error is finding it.
Yeah, I am able to select the other three, but not Mylin Commons.
You can deselect the group items by category and you can see it.
Yes, good idea. Yeah.
Yeah, but in which group is it?
There is a tick on the
When
group.
you go to the next step, you will see the commons one in the screen.
Exactly.
It did happen with me, but
Yes.
when I went to the next, so I got that. Yeah.
Exactly. So just pay heed to the steps as it is. And Era is finding. Look, Era.
Yeah.
All
All four are done.
Yes, all four done. And next, that's it. But you'll have to install, I think, 3 different software. It's asking. See, all 4 on needed here. Yes.
Yeah.
You want help or how is it? Try to help yourself now.
Okay, no problem. Sure, thank you.
Munir, I need a help with something. Yeah. Like I got 2 errors with data store object.
Okay, tell
And
me.
say you have to add field.
Okay, share your screen now. Share now, please.
Yes. Yeah. Can you see my screen?
Yeah. Loading. Wait a second. Yeah. Loaded. Yes. You have to add a field or data store object. Okay? Not consistent. It's all right. Did you try activating it?
Yes, I
don't activate now. Just save it now at this point in time and proceed. We'll have to revisit after completion certain steps. Let's say B2, B3, and then we'll revisit.
So what should I do now?
Save button. Is there any save button there? Activated now? Okay.
No.
Now go to file.
Okay.
File and then say hit the refresh button. Refresh. F5. That button. Yeah. Now you see under your node that got created and added. Just proceed to the B2 case study now. Leave it. I know it is incomplete. It has errors now. We'll have to provide further details. We'll have to revisit it again. Not now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
just leave it as this and proceed to jump onto B2.
Okay.
Yeah.
Monique, I kind of need your help. My screen got frozen, so I had to shut the software down. Now I can't seem to log back in.
Log back in where?
Like
Wait. Share your screen. Can you share your screen or no?
Oh no, I can't.
You can't share screen.
No, I mean I can log back in.
No. Can you share your screen? Then I can help you.
Okay, give me a second.
Yes, are you fine now? Yes.
No, actually. I mean, it will just take 1 minute. Can I just share my screen?
Yeah. Okay, share.
You've disabled.
I'll give it to you.
Yeah.
Okay, share your screen.
Okay. Yeah.
It's loading. Yeah, I can see now. Yes, now you need 4, right? So type one by one. Now scroll down slowly.
Yes, if you will untick the group items to a category, I think it'll be much easier.
Remove the group items and the tick button at the bottom. Yeah, remove it. Yes. Now Mylin, scroll down little slowly.
Okay. Yep. So I have to choose this Mylin Commons SDK.
No. Check. I don't remember. From the installation guide. Which one it is asking? Check. Refer the installation guide, please. As per the installation guide, I don't remember. What is that? 4 components it's saying, right? Mylin.
Yes.
Yeah. Go up. Yeah, this one. So Mylin Commons. Find Mylin Commons, task focused and comparison.
This is Mylin Commons, right?
No. Only Mylin Commons. So it's with SDK.
This is
little up. Why only these 2? I think I'm seeing only SDK one. Mylin Commons. Why is used different? Mylin Commons Commons, but you have Mylin Commons SDK, right? The others were finding it without SDK. You need Mylin Commons without SDK, right?
Yeah, I guess, yeah.
Can you cancel and try to do it again, all over again? Hide items that are already installed. Okay, one second. Did you try last time installing or something?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, so that's the reason. So remove hide items. Remove that hide items. Remove that hide item stick down, right side. Yes. Now try to search Mylin Commons. If you have attempted last time and it got installed, then it will be a problem. And search and scroll down slowly. Now you have it because you installed it last time. In last, maybe it was a failed attempt or something.
Yes.
This is one. Now you'll have to find second one. 1, 2, 3, 4. All fours need to be ticked.
I had actually selected the 3 and carried on with the last time.
No. You need all 4.
Okay, so I'll have to do it again.
You have to strictly follow all the steps.
Okay.
As it is. There's no brain actually to be applied. Whatever they are saying, install that. No brainer.
Okay.
No brainer.
Thank you, Munir.
Yeah, thank you.
I have
Can I share my screen now, Munir?
Yeah, sure. 1 second, one by one. Wait a second. Imran now, right? Imran, are you also trying to install or how is it? Share your screen now. You should be able to.
Yes, Munir, I'll just share my screen.
You were asking for help, right? Or who was asking?
It was me, Shafaq.
Oh, Shafaq was asking. Imran, are you okay?
I'm sharing my screen, Munir. I have this window when I try to install.
No, not this. Don't use it because we have our software already downloaded and under the unit. So go to your unit, my collaborate under the unit. Open the unit.
Okay.
See here, all this you don't need to go and download from the internet. You have the software. So BW modeling tool, one software download. This is one. Wait. I'll don't do it. You do it later. I'll just tell you. This is one software that you need to download. Then slowly scroll down. Above tools is another. Above tools. Okay. Then the last one. 3 software you will have to download onto your local laptop drive, and then follow the installation guide document.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
Sure. This one,
and you should be able to help yourself. But follow the steps to the letters. Meaning, don't apply your brain. Whatever it is saying, do that.
Got it.
The third
you mean that we need to install all of the software and also BW modeling tool, right?
Yeah, modeling tool, above tool, HDB Studio. 3 softwares you'll have to download, which is there already under software sections.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can find the BW modeling. Can I share my screen?
You can't find it?
No. But
are you accessing university virtual desktop or your personal laptop?
My personal laptop.
Then I don't know what you did. If I installed it, it's all perfectly fine. So you share your screen then. I'm not sure. I'm not a software installation expert. We work in specialized area. Quickly share, Sifak. I'm just coming. Give me 1 second. Yeah. Okay. Similar problem that we are facing with.
Share.
And then you I don't know. You will have to uninstall Victor and try installing again. Maybe you made something wrong. This is the problem we are facing with university desktop.
Yeah.
Victor, are you getting my point?
Yeah.
Do one thing, uninstall completely. Then install, download those 3 softwares that are there under this unit software node, and then follow the instruction guide all over again. Okay. I'm sorry, I can't help you much beyond this. Okay. So something must be wrong. Okay, Victor, I can't help you more than this.
That's fine.
Try to help yourself. You'll have to redo it again.
Okay.
Okay, now Sifak.
So Munir, I was using the virtual desktop from AUG. So the only error I have is that the secure storage is locked, which is giving me errors to install the packages.
I'm not an installation expert, but you share your screen now. I'll try to help you. I don't know what it is, but I installed it. It works.
Actually, I'm just now going to install it on my parallel desktop because it is only for Windows.
Okay. Yeah, it is only for Windows. Yes, that's right. Yes. Please be mindful that it is only for Windows, guys. Yeah, it's clearly mentioned it is for Windows, not for MacBook.
But you're using it on your Mac, Munir. That's the question I had.
Who is using?
Are you using it on a Mac or are you?
No, I'm using my Windows desktop. I have a Windows desktop.
Okay, thanks. That's all I wanted to ask.
It works only on Windows, guys.
Okay. So I'll install and get back to you.
Yes. This is, you'll have to help yourself. Ideally, universities should have their desktop fully pre-installed and ready, but no, I'm sorry, I can't help on that. Okay, guys.
Munir?
Yeah, tell me now.
Yeah, as I said, I can't really access my SAP logon. It's telling me password no longer possible. Too many failed attempts. So I might need
What's the user ID?
RV2033.
Let me. What's your name?
Namdi Ronald.
Namdi Ronald. RV2. Say it again.
033.
033. I'm just checking what's wrong with your user ID. Okay, it was locked.
Yeah.
It was locked because of many failed attempts.
Yeah, and it's because I accessed it today. So
wait, I'll do that. Okay, BWM033 is your new password. Try.
Right. Thank you.
Yeah, try it.
So Moni, just a quick one. While I was this is EMF model query. Eclipse Oxygen, when I selected, I couldn't find Myelin Commons. So I know you told earlier, but how do we get that Myelin Commons?
Okay, share your screen. Share your screen. Share your screen.
Sure.
Okay, is it like last attempt? You attempted to install and it didn't work, and you're doing it all over again, or how's it?
No, I was able to do others. I wasn't able to do Myelin Commons.
Oh, okay. Okay, give me the control.
Just untick the group.
Yeah, untick the group first.
Untick
Below there is a checkbox, group items by category. Untick that and hide items also. Hide items that are already installed. Untick that. Now try to search the text. Myelin. Yeah, Myelin. Okay, and hit enter button. Hit enter button.
Okay.
Yeah,
Now
there you go. And search one by one all the items.
Okay.
Ensure that you have selected all. My point was that.
Okay, cool.
But my point, all 4 are required.
Yeah, sure.
Only these 4.
And how do I know which ones I've already installed? Because I have installed.
Beta, select now one by one. So you have selected one. Now select other 3 also in this attempt, and try next. So that you don't need to bother what was installed incorrectly in last attempt. And proceed.
Munir?
Should be fine. Yes, please. 1 second.
Yeah, after we do this, I guess an ABAP tools zip folder should be downloaded in the downloads, right?
Yes, it is there under the software section.
But it is not there for me.
It's not there? 1 second.
No.
It should be. It should be. It's appearing for everybody else. Others, are you able to see that ABAP tool and all those also? Or no?
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, everybody else is seeing. Okay, share your screen. Yes, then I don't know what's the problem, but everybody else is able to share. See that? Yes. Sorry. Where are you? Yes.
Yes. Yep.
1 second.
I have one question. Like, we have to download it from View Collaborate.
Yeah. We collaborate. I said that.
Okay, then I guess I need not. Yeah,
no, you shouldn't
can you
download
not share
any
my screen?
software. You shouldn't be downloading any software from the web. It's all you should be finding under the software sections from the View Collaborate.
But that you need. Password for
Okay, yeah, it's my
username and password for EMEA portal.
Who's that? Harshit?
Yeah.
What's your user ID? I'll reset. Did you say your account is locked or something?
No. I was trying to log in at EMEA portal for download that software.
No. You shouldn't be. No. Everybody, please be mindful that you are not supposed to go and find the software from the web. The softwares are to be located from software section under this unit. From View Collaborate, guys.
Yeah.
Is that message clear? Guys.
Clear.
I'm doing from there only, Munir, but it's showing me to go to EMEA and then I'm...
No. Don't do that. You find 3 softwares there. ABAP tool, BW modeling tool, and HANA Studio. 3 software, download and use those. Would you like to share your screen?
I'm just checking it. Wait a second, please.
Yeah, try to help yourself, guys. It should be easy. Others are able to do it.
Munir, I have a question for B2 workshop.
Yeah, B2. Okay, let me open.
In B2 workshop, it is showing to go again to the data warehousing model and locate your student ID under the data source tab, PC files. But
So
I cannot see
B2
my
is saying,
student tab.
No, wait. B2 was saying don't access it through Studio. Go direct log into BW on HANA and do it, right?
Yeah, I am on BW on HANA. It is not showing my one portal, student 012. Can I share my screen?
Yeah, share.
You have to unhide it.
No, I'm on BW on HANA system. It is showing only 5 students portal.
Okay. Let
you
me
have to
share.
unhide it. It's in the instructions.
In the instructions, how to do that?
Can I share my screen?
Yeah, share.
Okay. When I go to this RV2, I only see the 5 students.
Yeah.
Guys, RV1, I asked not to use RV1. Don't use RV2.
I just checking that because in RV2 only I can see 5 students under Victoria University, Australia.
Right. Wait a second. Which tab? Select info provider, please. Info provider.
Okay.
Yes. Then you have it.
But as per the document, it is
data
showing.
Source.
Yeah.
Data source. Yeah. So you will have to create data source now. So right click on ZRV2. Right click and create your own data source here.
Okay.
That's what. It's not so exclusive. So you create and proceed.
Okay.
So you have it. You have the application component already created. Now you're creating data source. Now follow the steps.
That's not going to work if she does that.
Pardon me?
It's not going to work if she creates a data source from RB2. She needs to click unhide on the top.
On the top. Wait a second. Unhide.
The one next to the star.
Next to the star.
Keep going
this
right.
One?
Can you toggle? Can I see what
toggle
it is?
the mode. Click on the mode. Click on that unhide and
it has to yes. Click
this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks.
Thanks, Chow. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
So now I have to create the data source.
Data source under your namespace.
Yeah, this is my 012. Now I'll create the data source.
Yeah. Good.
Okay. Thank you.
Munir, I'm trying to install ABAP development tools and I couldn't find ABAP core development tools when I've opened the downloaded ABAP tools zip file.
Okay, you didn't find that, is it?
Yeah,
It's not there under software folder.
Yeah, so it's not on the BAP.
Share your screen.
I was able to do the other day. So this is where it is, ABAP. So archive, ABAP tools, open.
No. It'll have to take the, I think, unzipped file, I think.
No.
If I'm remembering a little bit.
It's a zip file.
Oh, zip file, okay.
Yeah.
Then select the,
I should be able to.
Can you expand that? Can you expand? Left side, there is an arrow, right arrow, expand. And you don't see core, what was it you need?
ABAP core development tools.
ABAP development tools for HANA. Why is that so?
Unless I've not.
Okay. One minute. Remove the hide again. Remove the hide. Untick the hide. Over again. Yes. Last attempt was a failed attempt, I think. There you go. I think last time you installed it, so it's not.
Okay. All right. Okay. I think that's the button, the hide. Okay.
Yeah, that hides if you have if you have something already installed successfully or unsuccessfully, it will hide it. Okay, cool. And
Monir?
Yeah.
I have a very different problem than others. So
yeah, I know you missed. So have you had a chance to discuss with your group member? Have you identified anyone?
Yeah, I came up with Gul Sandeep. And
Sandeep, have you discussed the strategy, how to proceed?
No, I mean, he said that for the assignment one, he's almost finished.
Okay.
But currently, look, I can't really help. So because of the late enrollment, I don't have my student SAP ID.
Oh, okay. Student ID, I'll give you that. It's my problem. Yes, I can give you that. 1 second. I'll give you the SAP login ID for sure. It is my problem.
Is XXX RV2?
RV2 hyphen?
No, here it says like course ID. Is it RV2, yeah?
Yeah. RV2 is the login ID for BW on HANA.
Okay.
ICT training. I don't know which category this belongs to.
For the assignment one, we still can use the virtual desktop, right? Just to finish the assignment one.
Say it again, please.
For the assignment one, we can just use the virtual desktop, right?
Yes, that's right. And for assignment one, A1 and A2, you don't need even virtual desktop. If you have a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet installed in your personal laptop, you can do that. It doesn't require any system access as well. So I would recommend you connect with your friends and see how they have done it and try to submit your assignment one first, and then rest you can slowly try to catch up with others.
Do we have to provide screenshots as well for the answer, or just the answer?
No, answer supported by all the legible screenshots. Screenshots must be very legible and ensure you are capturing the right appropriate screenshot, meaning a screenshot that has fulfilled all the steps requirement.
And then we can submit that in a Word document.
Yes, exactly. So take a print screen and paste it on a Word document. Leave the first page for your group member name, and then contribution, individual contribution percentage. If you would like to mention, let's say your group member not supporting and his contribution is 10%, yours is 90%, then you'll have to approve he will be marked appropriately,
Okay.
apportioned way.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's that way. Yeah. It's so answer supported by screenshot for all the questions, please.
Munir?
Yes.
So when I'm trying to download a BAP, it gives me error. The operation cannot be completed. Cannot satisfy the dependency.
What step are you? What are you doing?
I'm downloading a BAP, Code Development Tools.
One second. Who's that?
Era.
Era. Era. Okay, share your screen, Era.
Sure. Can you give me the, can you disable it?
Yeah. You should be able to share now.
Yeah. So this is the error I'm getting here.
Operation cannot be completed. Cannot satisfy dependency. I don't know what it is.
So if I go back,
Yeah.
add, archive, app tools. Okay.
Okay.
And then a BAP code development tools.
Tools. Yeah.
This is all good here.
All good. Okay. Proceed. Next. Cannot perform operation computing. Oh my god, I don't know, Era. You'll have to open the instruction guide, please. Open the instruction.
That's the instruction guide.
Slowly follow.
A BAP tool.
So is it like you are installing for the first time, or you had a failed attempt before?
I had a failed attempt before.
Okay. If you had a failed attempt before, then it's a problem. I don't know.
No, I'm installing it for the first time, but this error I got before.
Oh, okay.
For the ABAP.
I really don't have any idea about this. What is causing this error? What could potentially cause this error? Really, no idea. I just followed exactly like you, and it worked. It worked for me.
All right, I will try to uninstall and try to do it again.
Maybe try in uninstalling fresh and try to follow that. It's quite tedious, I understand. I have already reported
Moni, I'm
the
successful
challenges
on
that
this
you're
one.
facing.
I'm unsuccessful on installation.
Oh, congratulations!
Okay. So,
So,
Era, if you need any assistance, Moni, you can make break the room. I can help Era on installation.
yeah, I'll make a breakout room for you and Era, Chen Hoi and Era. Okay. So,
Okay, I can help Era. Yeah.
Era, seek help from Chen Hoi, please.
Thank you.
Okay, let me create a break.
The one that have my own name. I have two. I have my own picture. Okay, I have two.
Thanks.
And Marie, can you take attendance as well, because it's nearly 4.
Oh, I know. Oh my god.
Munir, just one question at the last.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, in this B1 workshop at the last, the logon, there's a triple X. We use 0, like the 029 is my ID for BW. So I use the same, right?
Which step are you talking about, Yash?
When you are able to open a BW project, you get the connection logon.
Yeah, you'll have to use your RV2 ID and password.
Okay.
RV2, not the BW hyphen the old non-HANA system.
Okay.
RV2.
Moni, I'm not in breakout room now.
Yeah. I'm creating. 1 second. Hold on.
Okay, sorry.
Sorry. So many things. Where is that? Breakout room. Manually create room. Chen Hoi and Era. Okay, that's it. And open all room. Okay, can you check if you guys are in one room now? Breakout room 1. Chen Hoi.
Are you doing the roll check? Hey, we can't hear Monir.
Yeah.
He's on mute.
You are on mute, Monir.
Swati, can you hear me?
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me share my screen for the attendance. 1 second. Okay, Sam, are you there? Alisa?
Yes, Sam is here. Sorry.
Sam, are you there? Okay. Alisa? No. Era is there. Milan, are you there?
Yes, Munir.
Okay.
Milan.
Okay. Chenhoi there. Harshit?
I'm here, Monir.
Okay. Rohan?
Yes, Munir.
Okay. Rahul?
Yes, Munir.
Kavin? Kavin, are you there? Rashmi?
Yes.
Okay. Ahmed?
Yes.
Are you there, Ahmed? Okay. Nikita?
Yes.
Yeah.
Swati there?
Yes.
Zishan, are you there? Okay. Ubindi?
Yeah.
Okay. Henry?
Yes.
There? Okay. Jason?
दीदी शैम्पू ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵੱਲ ਪਿਆ ਮਾੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਵੀ ਫੋਟੋ ਨਾ ਅਰੇ ਦੇਖੀ ਆ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਗਾਨੀ ਪਾਈ ਇੱਥੇ ਸਟicker ਲਾਇਆ
Sebastian?
Present. Yeah.
ਮਾੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਇੱਥੇ ਰੱਖ ਦੋ ਮੈਨੂੰ
Harpreet? Akhil? Himel? Imran?
Yes, I'm in.
Danish? Okay. Rohini? Kurbanov? Are you there, Kurbanov?
Yeah, I'm here.
Pavi?
Yes, Monir.
Nalita?
Yes, Mari.
Nalita, you sent me an email. I didn't have a chance to reply. What was it all about?
Actually, the problem was from the beginning. I had two problems.
and I have done the initial installation part, but the thing is, I can't move forward from the tutorial one, and two, that's the problem.
So what's the wow?
Anyway, I will try to do it myself right now because I got some information from today tutorial.
Yeah. Refer the tutorial and also consult with your friend. It'll be difficult because you missed a lot of classes, I think.
Yeah, then if there's any problem, then I'll let you know.
Yeah, then let me know. Yes.
Okay, thank you, man.
Sahiti, are you there, Sahiti? Okay, yes, there. Rumbi.
Yes, I'm here.
Rumbi. Kavya.
Yes, I'm there.
Sally.
Yes, I'm here.
Ronald.
Yep, here.
Naga.
Yes, I'm present.
Okay.
Munir, I'm left. Simarpreet?
I gave you attendance already.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Wajisa.
Present. Munir, I'm here. My microphone was not working. I'm Zishan.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, Hina.
Yes, here.
Ali Reza.
Yes, I am here.
Okay. Victor.
Yes.
Sahib.
Yes, Munir.
Tharu.
I'm here.
Okay. Maitri.
Yes, Munir.
Sahil.
Yes.
Gulsandeep.
Yep.
Okay. Naren. Okay. Sifak.
I'm here, Munir.
Syed Usman.
Present.
Chow.
Yeah.
Akshay.
Yep.
Harika.
Yeah, present.
Okay, done, guys.
Munir, I'm here. You marked absent.
Sahiti. Okay.
Thank
you. Okay, guys. Okay, I haven't submitted that ticket yet. I didn't get a chance to submit that ticket.
Munir, for my SAP ID, have you finished?
Jason. Yeah. You need your SAP ID, is it? Okay. Let me assign your SAP ID. 1 second. I'm doing it upfront first. 1 second. Because of late enrollment, I didn't assign. Didn't have a chance to assign.
Munir.
Yes.
Munir, Kavin just dropped you a message because his laptop was shut down, so he was not able to mark his attendance.
Who's that?
Kavin.
Kavin. Oh, okay. One second. I'll remember. Wait.
All right.
Jason. There is Jason. How do you spell your name? Okay. There you go. Okay, so BW 958, 72, sign the next number.
Munir, I have a question about the data object.
One second. Yeah. Give me 1 minute. I'm coming. Second. And yeah. Jason.
Yeah.
Now go to your gradebook like this, assessment.
Yeah, it's there.
And you will see your SAP ID for two different systems. And I'll have to, maybe you take help from your friend. So we are using two different systems basically. One on BW on HANA, and the other one is BW
BW 7.5
on other database.
Okay.
Non-HANA. So this is non-HANA and HANA based. Yeah. Only two systems you need.
Yeah.
Can you seek help from your friend? Any friend that you know how to install and all those?
Yeah.
You'll have to use virtual desktop. There, you find other informations here, as I have on the news. See here, in here, which is this system? You know how to log in and all those. See, yeah. Now, what is the client ID? And you found your recipe ID actually, and log in there this way. And your initial password will be this. See?
All right.
For the non-BW system, for the other one, I can add this. Add one. Other one. Let me add it up front here. So many work to do. Yeah, I'll take a screenshot. New. This. That. So this is BW on HANA. And it select go back in here. The stems details. I have two different systems. I'm adding it here. So this is BW on HANA system. For that is the BW on without HANA. BW on HANA system. And
Hey Munir.
Yes. 1 second. Tell me what is it?
Yeah, actually, when we put the credentials for the system, our BW system.
Okay.
And I put my own credentials that RB. I am getting a message that not authorized.
Because you are not on right node. You should be in under your info area. Then only it will allow. So check carefully.
I am talking about the HANA Studio.
Yeah. That's right.
Okay.
Give me 1 minute. I'll just finish this and come back to you. Give me 1 minute. I'll be able to screen share with you. Yeah. Give me 1 minute. Yes. Okay. So Jason, now you should find the details here. Under this, you have two different systems. One is this screenshot, how to add it onto your logon pad. Then you have another system. I have given this details, and you have two user ID account that you found. The second one is RV2, starting with RV2. This is the system, and seek help from your friends. Yeah.
Okay.
Now that's it. Yes. What else?
Yeah.
Now
Munir,
share your screen. Yes. Now.
Yes. You have disabled it.
1 minute. Let me now share. Share again. Okay. What's the problem?
So wait a minute. I'll go from the first.
Yeah.
So new BW project.
Oh, slow. Yeah. Okay. Is there a?
First shows me this. Yeah.
This looks like a installation error. Okay. Now one second. Go to close this. Okay. Do one thing. Go to your normal SAP GUI pad, logon pad. SAP GUI logon pad. Yeah. In this you have added it already, right? You have the entry already. Okay. Okay. Now minimize this screen. Okay. As per the system ID, give the system ID as A80. Type uppercase A80. Type there. System ID A80. Yeah. Application server A80Z. A80Z. Small lowercase. Yeah. Instance number 80. And router string, copy and paste from your logon pad entry. Go to a logon pad entry again. Select that line, yeah, and then click on that pencil. Select that line, yeah, just click, yeah, edit, yes. Copy this router string, complete one, copy it, yeah. Cancel, yeah, and then go back to that place. Paste. Next. And now give your account. This client is 800. Yes, that's right. And your password, private personal password. Finish.
I click finish. Yeah.
Wait a second. Click on that. Give me the control. 1 second. Give me the control.
Yeah.
Leave the mouse.
Yes, Munir, he helped me and I have downloaded it successfully.
Wow, cool.
Thank you.
Thumbs up to Chenoy.
Okay, no worry.
Cool. Chenoy, good job. Okay, there you go. Okay. Now expand. Oops. Expand and locate Victoria University.
Munir, can I leave the session?
Yes, you can. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
So, Moni, are there any another attendant?
Who's that?
Are there any attendants?
I gave you attendance.
Okay, thanks.
Use. What's your number? Yes.
029.
And this is your info area already created for you, exclusively for you. Now you follow the step from here.
Yes.
New and proceed.
But actually, in the guide B1, the tutorial guide, the credentials were the system instance number was 56, and like you asked me to put out 80.
Yeah. Don't get confused. That's just indicative. We didn't update the document. It's just sample. So we use our system.
I guess. Okay,
That's
so that is why it happened.
That's
Yeah.
that's the reason. Now proceed.
Thank you so much, Munir.
Yeah. Basically, we are using the same BW on HANA system, but you are accessing it from HANA Studio basically.
Okay.
That screenshot is just indicative. One common screenshot. They should have made it. They could have been more explicit.
Yeah, actually, you said this one is. Yeah, this one is.
Just a sample. Just a sample.
Yeah.
So Moni, so after we install successful on SAP HANA 4, what we gonna do? We need to follow to all of the tutorial.
So then now you try to complete B1, B2, B3, B4, B5.
Okay.
And then we'll try to complete A4.
So all of that are all the instructions are correctly with the system, isn't it? Is it much with the system? I mean, is it the same? We just follow
matching. Yeah, tutorial documents are matching. Yes.
Okay, thanks, Moni.
Yeah. All are matching. Yes. Thank you, guys. See you at 5. Those who belong to 5 batch. And try rest of the exercise at home. The tutorials are up to date and latest and matching. All the steps are matching in your free time. And let me know if you stumble upon any other challenges.
Good. I finally got it, Munir.
Who's that?
Victor.
Oh, Victor, congratulations.
Yeah.
What went wrong?
I don't know. I just install again. I have no idea what I done.
Yeah, that basically develops a skill of resilience.
Yeah. Basically, instead install, I just update to newer version. I don't know. I just start installing everything again. But it's working now.
Yeah, thank you.
Hello, Munir, are you there?